Today in our science lesson, we're going to learn about what animals need in order to grow. Animals need things to grow. All animals need certain things to live. Animals need oxygen to live. When animals breathe air, they get oxygen. Animals need water and food. Animals eat food to have energy, to do things, and to grow. Animals also need shelter. A shelter is a place that protects animals. It helps them stay warm when it is cold. A shelter helps animals stay cool when it is warm. A shelter also helps animals stay safe. Now, I want you to think about what is a shelter and why do animals need shelter?